Namaste. Degree first year Sanskrit compounds Samasaha. Question number 10. Write the Vigrahavakyam expanded form along with the name of the Samasaha. Avyayi Bhava Samasaha. Avyayi Bhava Samasaha. Indeclinable compound. Indeclinable compound. Adhihari Harau iti. Adhihari Harau iti. It is Lord Hari. Upakrishnam Krishnasya Samipe. Upakrishnam Krishnasya Samipe. Near Krishna. Upalochanam Lochanayoho Samipe. Upalochanam Lochanayoho Samipe. Near the eyes. Sumadram Madranam Samruddhihi. Sumadram Madranam Samruddhihi. The prosperity of the Madras. Duryavanam Yavananam Vyuddhihi. Duryavanam Yavananam Vyuddhihi. The downfall of the Yavanas. Nishkantakam Kantakanam Abhavaha. Nishkantakam Kantakanam Abhavaha. Absence of thorns. Nirmakshikam Makshikanam Abhavaha. Nirmakshikam Makshikanam Abhavaha. Absence of flies. Nishpapam Papanam Abhavaha. Nishpapam Papanam Abhavaha. Absence of sins. Atihimam Himasya Atyayaha. Atihimam Himasya Atyayaha. Extreme cold. Atinidram Nidra Samprati Nayujyate. Atinidram Nidra Samprati Nayujyate. A state beyond sleep. Iti Hari Hari Shabdasya Pradurbhavaha. Iti Hari Hari Shabdasya Pradurbhavaha. The manifestation of the word Hari. Anugangam Gangayaha Paschat. Anugangam Gangayaha Paschat. Beyond the Ganga. Anurupam Rupasya Yogyam. Anurupam Rupasya Yogyam. Suitable to the form. Pratyaham Ahani Ahani. Pratyaham Ahani Ahani. Every day. Pratyaksham Akshnoha Prati. Pratyaksham Akshnoha Prati. Directly visible. Paroksham Akshnoha Param. Paroksham Akshnoha Param. Beyond sight. Yatha Shakti Shaktim Anatikramya. Yatha Shakti Shaktim Anatikramya. According to one's ability. Yatha Vidhi Vidhim Anatikramya. Yatha Vidhi Vidhim Anatikramya. According to the prescribed rule. Shaka Prati Shakasya Leshaha. Shaka Prati Shakasya Leshaha. A portion of vegetables. Anujeshtham Jeshtasya Anupurvena. Anujeshtham Jeshtasya Anupurvena. Following the elder one. Sachakram Chakrena Yugapat. Sachakram Chakrena Yugapat. Along with the wheel. Satrunam Trunam api aparityajya. Satrunam Trunam api aparityajya. Even not leaving the grass. Sagni Agni Grantha Paryantam. Sagni Agni Grantha Paryantam. Till the end of the fire scripture. Here Avibhava Samasaha typically function as adverbial expressions, often describing how, where, or in what manner an action takes place. Dhanyavadaha. Tatpurusha Samasaha. Tat Purusha Samasaha. Dependent determinative compound. Prathama Tatpurusha Samasaha. Nominative case compound. Prathama Tatpurusha Samasaha. Nominative case compound. Artha Pippali Artham Pippalyaha. Artha Pippali Artham Pippalyaha. Half of the long pepper. Purvakayaha Purvam Kayasya. Purvakayaha Purvam Kayasya. The former body. Ardharcham Richaha Ardham. Ardharcham Richaha Ardham. Half of the hymn. Uttarakayaha Uttaram Kayasya. Uttarakayaha Uttaram Kayasya. The later body. Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Dvitiya Tatpurusha Samasaha. Accusative case compound. Krishna Shritaha Krishnam Shritaha. Krishna Shritaha Krishnam Shritaha. One who has taken refuge in Krishna. Anna Bubhukshuhu Annam Bubhukshuhu. Anna Bubhukshuhu Annam Bubhukshuhu. Desiring food. Muhurta Sukham Muhurtam Sukham. Muhurta Sukham Muhurtam Sukham. pleasure for a moment. Gramagataha, gramam gataha, gramagataha, gramam gataha, one who has gone to village. Tritiya tatpurusha samasaha, Tritiya tatpurusha samasaha, instrumental case compound. Shankula khandaha, Shankulaya khandaha, Shankula khandaha, Shankulaya khandaha, a piece made with a chain. Dhanyardaha, Dhanyena arthaha, Dhanyardaha, Dhanyena arthaha, meaning derived from grains. Masavaraha, Masena avaraha, Masavaraha, Masena avaraha, inferior by a month. Vidyanipunaha, Vidyayanipunaha, Vidyanipunaha, Vidyayanipunaha, skillful in knowledge. Pitru sadrushaha, Pitru sadrushaha, Pitru sadrushaha, Pitra sadrushaha, similar to the father. Haritrataha, Haritrataha, Harinatrataha, Haritrataha, Harinatrataha, protected by a deer. Dadhyodanaha, Dadhna odanaha, Dadhyodanaha, Dadhna odanaha, rice mixed with curd. Chaturthi tatpurusha samasaha, Chaturthi tatpurusha samasaha, dative case compound. Yupadaru, Yupayadaru, Yupadaru, Yupayadaru, wood for the sacrificial post. Kundala hiranyam, Kundalaya hiranyam, Kundala hiranyam, Kundalaya hiranyam, gold for earrings. Guru dakshina, Gurave dakshina, Guru dakshina, Gurave dakshina, a gift to the teacher. Bhuta balihi, Bhutebhyaha balihi, Bhuta balihi, Bhutebhyaha balihi, offerings to the spirits. Go sukham, Gave sukham, Go sukham, Gave sukham, comfort for the cow. Go rakshitam, Gave rakshitam, Go rakshitam, Gave rakshitam, protection for the cow. Here are the meanings of the Panchami Tatpurusha Samasaha, oblative Tatpurusha compounds in Sanskrit. Simha Bhayam, Simhat Bhayam, Simha Bhayam, Simhat Bhayam, fear of a lion. Vrishchika Bhihi, Vrishchikat Bhihi, Vrishchika Bhihi, Vrishchikat Bhihi, fear of a scorpion. Vyagra Bhitaha, Vyagrat Bhitaha, Vyagra Bhitaha, Vyagrat Bhitaha, frightened by a tiger. Papa Bhayam, Papat Bhayam, Papa Bhayam, Papat Bhayam, fear of sin. Sukha Petaha, Sukhat Apetaha, Sukha Petaha, Sukhat Apetaha, separated from happiness. Chora Bhayam, Chorat Bhayam, Chora Bhayam, Chorat Bhayam, fear of a thief. Ashwapatitaha, Ashwat Patitaha, Ashwapatitaha, Ashwat Patitaha, fallen from a horse. These compounds follow the Panchami Vibhakti ablative case structure indicating separation, fear or cause. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha, genitive case compound. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha. Krishna Bhaktaha, Krishnasya Bhaktaha, Krishna Bhaktaha, Krishnasya Bhaktaha, one who is a devotee of Krishna. Raja Purushaha, Rajnyaha Purushaha, Raja Purushaha, Rajnyaha Purushaha, a servant or officer of the king. Deva Pujakaha, Deva Pujakaha, Devanam Pujakaha, Deva Pujakaha, Devanam Pujakaha, a worshipper of gods. Vriksha Moolam, Vrikshasya Moolam, Vriksha Moolam, Vrikshasya Moolam, the root of a tree. Mithila Nadaha, Mithilayaha Nadaha, Mithila Nathaha, Mithilayaha Nathaha, the Lord of Mithila. Sitapatihi, Sitayaha Patihi, Sitapatihi, Sitayaha Patihi, the husband of Sita. Rajadutaha, Rajnyaha Dutaha, Rajadutaha, Rajnyaha Dutaha, the messenger of a king. These are classical examples of Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha, where the first word in the compound is in the genitive Shashti Bhakti case, showing possession or relation. Here are the meanings of the Saptami Tatpurusha Samasaha, locative Tatpurusha compounds in Sanskrit. Aksha Shaundaha, Akshesha Shaundaha, Aksha Shaundaha, Akshesha Shaundaha, One who is skilled in gambling dies. Karma kushalaha, karmani kushalaha, karma kushalaha, karmani kushalaha. One who is proficient in work. Ishvaradhinam, Ishvare adhinam, Ishvaradhinam, Ishvare adhinam. That which is dependent on God. Atapashushkaha, Atape shushkaha, Atapashushkaha, Atape shushkaha. Dried in the heat, sun. Karyadakshaha, कार्ये दक्षः, कार्ये दक्षः, कार्ये दक्षः. Efficient in work. आश्रमवासः, आश्रमे वासः, आश्रमवासः, आश्रमे वासः. Residence in an ashram. स्थाली पक्वः, स्थाल्यां पक्वः, स्थाली पक्वः, स्थाल्यां पक्वः. Cooked in a vessel. These compounds follow the Saptami Vibhakti locative case structure indicating location or the context in which an action or quality applies. Here are the meaning of Nai Tatpurusha Samasaha. Negative compounds using Nai prefix in Sanskrit. Abrahmanaha, na Brahmanaha. Abrahmanaha, na Brahmanaha, not a Brahmin. Anashvaha, na Ashvaha, not a horse. Anashvaha, na Ashvaha, not a horse. Adharmaha, na Dharmaha, Adharmaha, na Dharmaha, not righteousness, that is unrighteousness. Anudaraha, na Udaraha, Anudaraha, na Udaraha, not generous. Aparigraha, na Parigraha, Aparigraha, na Parigraha, not accepting possessions, non-possessiveness, non-possessiveness. Anicha, na Icha, Anicha, na Icha, lack of desire. Ajnanam, na Jnanam, Ajnanam, na Jnanam, ignorance, lack of knowledge. ధన్యవాదः.